still toasty. Here we are, Daytona fans. Look at all these Mopars. Everyone's on their phone, on their cameras filming, and rightfully so. Man, this line is beautiful.
Got yourself something funky.
White one's a supercharged V6, black one's an RT 5.7. Who do you think's gonna win, guys? Let's watch the race. That's loud. Incredible. I found another Daytona, guys. This is just absolutely amazing. We're setting up for a nice photo shoot right now. It's gonna be awesome. Whew. 400 miles later, I am home. Huge shout out to MDG Collections for hosting this meet, and I really appreciate it. I really enjoyed meeting everybody that's there. First trip is in the bag, and I've never been more happy with the car. Titan performed flawlessly as usual, and you know what? I really do appreciate this car a lot. Again, I have no regrets buying this car. This is by far the best vehicle purchase I have ever made. I hope you all enjoyed the footage. It just does not do it justice to watch it on film. They sound so much better in person. They sound so much louder in person. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a great day. Peace.